So it's still about the YFM area code Jam, and we are still inside the Takrade Mall. And this guy, he's very energetic, I must say. I just saw him perform, and he did very good. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
How are you feeling? How's the feeling like?
The feeling is great, Yeah, man, because if you listen to how the fans were responding to my performance, you could see that no, the feeling was great, and we give thanks for that.
Okay, so why did you decide to be a part of the YFM area code Jam?
Yes, because YFM Rio Coast Jam is a big show, it's a big platform, and every artist here in the region would wish to be on that stage. Yeah, so I can hear YFM Rio Coast Jam, and I'll just pass by. I have to be on show.
So this year, you've been releasing songs, I'm sure. How has it been? How's the reception been? Do you think you are going higher? You are doing bigger and better?
Sure, because checking from way back when we started up to now, the progress, we give thanks. We keep progressing each and every day, each and every time we keep progressing, and we give thanks for that too.
So you are an Efia Kuma boy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it seems the Efia Kuma boy. Is it that you are naturally endowed with a talent or what? Because it seems most of these reggae dancehall artists in Takoradi, most of them are from Efia Kuma.
Yeah, sure. Because you don't know, if you come out, we get it all. We run things not run we. You see it.
Okay, so give us your social media handle so that our viewers can also interact with you.
All right. So on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Fyahman Miskall. Everywhere, Fyahman Miskall. YouTube, everywhere, Fyahman Miskall.
Okay, Fireman, we thank you very much for your time.
All right again. So me go so then. How the Fireman Miskall me sing again. Well, how the Fireman Miskall they are representing for Ideas TV. You don't know. And we say thin shot can't call. More fire. Keep it locked, How the Fireman Miskall says so. One.